stand real on solid ground. I'd rather stand alone with my truth intact than bend my spine again just to earn you back.